Hello everyone. Today we will discuss phylum Cnidaria general characters. Our previous class discussed general characters: habitat, level of organization, symmetry. Next one germ layers. Next one coelentron. This class discuss general characters of the body forms. First one body forms. Body forms. So the Cnidarians exhibit the two body forms. The Cnidarians exhibit two body forms. One is the polyp, and second one is the medusa. The Cnidarians exhibit two body forms. The Cnidarians exhibit two body forms. One is the polyp, another one is the medusa. Polyp and medusa. So next one metagenesis. 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 2 marks a very important question. A metagenesis. What is the metagenesis? 2 marks very important question. So the metagenesis means the alternate generations. The alternate generations between the polyp and medusa. Alternate generations of polyp and medusa is called as metagenesis. Alternate generation of polyp and medusa is called as metagenesis. See the diagram. So these are the polyp stage. So these are the polyp. These are the medusa. These are the medusa. First step, the polyp stage, they produce medusa. Polyp, they produce medusa through the asexual reproduction. Through the asexual reproduction. Asexual reproduction. The polyp, they produce medusa through the asexual reproduction. Next one, the medusa, they form the polyp. The medusa produce the polyp through the sexual reproduction. Through the sexual reproduction. Sexual reproduction. So these are called as metagenesis. These are called as metagenesis. Simple. So the alternate generations between the polyp and medusa. First one polyp. The polyp produces the medusa through the asexual reproduction. The medusa formation of the polyp through the sexual reproduction. Next one polyp produces the medusa through the asexual reproduction. Medusa produces the polyp through the sexual reproduction. So they are the metagenesis. The alternate generations of the polyp and medusa is called as metagenesis. The polyp is the sessile. Polyp is the sessile. Sessile means, so they are the do not moving from the one place to another place. So the medusa is the free swimming. Medusa is the free swimming. So they are the metagenesis. First one body forms. The Cnidarians exhibit two body forms, polyp and medusa. Polyp and medusa. Next one, the metagenesis. Metagenesis means the alternation of generation between the polyp and medusa. The polypa generate medusa through the asexual reproduction. The medusa, they form the polyp through the sexual reproduction. So these alternate generations is called as metagenesis. So they are the metagenesis. Next one, coordination. Next one, coordination. Next one, coordination. coordination. So the coordination, so the neurons are the non-polarized neurons. The neurons are the non-polarized neurons. They presenting on the non-polarized neurons. The Cnidarians contain a nerve net-like nervous system. Net-like nervous system. The Cnidarians contain a net-like nervous system. Nerve net-like nervous system. Nerve net-like nervous system means so they are the Cnidarians. So the neurons are the net-like. So they are the net-like nervous system. Net-like nervous system. Net-like nervous system. The neurons are the non-polarized neurons. They are presenting on the non-polarized neurons. So they are the coordination. Next one, reproduction. Next one, reproduction. Next one, reproduction. So the reproduction is two types of the reproductions: asexual reproduction, and sexual reproduction. Asexual reproduction and sexual reproduction. Asexual reproduction and sexual reproduction. The reproduction is the two types of the reproduction presenting on the Cnidarians: asexual reproduction and sexual reproduction. Asexual reproduction, they are presenting on the budding process. Budding type. The asexual reproduction is the budding type. So the budding type means so they are the Cnidarian animals. So these animal, this part, the bud is cut. So this bud, they formation of the new one. So they are the new one. So these are called as a budding process. A budding process means, so they are the asexual reproduction. The cut into the small bud, the small bud they formation of the new one. Small bud they formation of the new one. So they are called as asexual reproduction. Asexual reproduction. Next one, sexual reproduction. Sexual reproduction, this process is the syngamy. So they are the syngamy process. So syngamy process means they formation of the male gametes. So they are the male gametes and fusion with the female gametes. So they are the female gametes. So they are the male gametes. So they are the female gametes. So these two gametes fusion to formation of the zygote. They formation of the zygote. So these type of the reproduction is called as sexual reproduction. Reproduction is the two types. One is the asexual reproduction, another one is the sexual reproduction. So the asexual reproduction, the budding process. Budding process means the small part cut, the small part they formation of the new one. So they are called as budding process. Next one, sexual reproduction. Sexual reproduction through the syngamy process. Syngamy means the formation of the fusion of the male and female gametes. Fusion of the male and female gametes, they formation of the zygote. So they are called as syngamy. So they are the sexual reproduction. Next one, development. Next one, development. Next one, development. So the development is the indirect development. Development is the indirect development. Indirect development. Indirect development means presenting on the larva stages. Larva presenting on the larva stages, presenting on the larva stages. So they are the indirect development. So the larva is the free swimming larva. The larva is the planula larva. The larva name is the planula larva. The planula larva is the free swimming. They contain the ciliates. So they are the free swimming larva. So they are the development. So the development is the indirect development. Indirect development means presenting on the larva stages. So the presenting on the only single larva, the larva is the planula larva. The planula larva is the free swimming. Next one, the phylum Cnidaria of classification. Phylum Cnidaria classification. Next one, phylum Cnidaria classification. Phylum Cnidaria or classification. So the phylum Cnidaria divided into three classes. Phylum Cnidaria divided into three classes. First one, class 1 Hydrojava. First class Hydrojava. Second one, Scyphojava. Class 2 Scyphojava. Class 3 Anthojava. Hydrojava, Scyphojava, Anthojava. Class 1 Hydrojava, Class 2 Scyphojava, Class 3 Anthojava. Next one, so the Class 1 Hydrojava, they are living in marine water. Hydrojava living in marine water except Hydra, except Hydra. So the Hydra, the living in fresh water. So the class Hydrojava, they living in marine water except Hydra. The Hydra living in fresh water. The Scyphojava living in marine water, Anthojava is living in marine water. Next one, so the other important characters of the Hydrojava, so they are the polymorphism. So they are the polymorphism. Polymorphism means polyploid form and medusoid form. Medusoid form to polyploid form. Polyploid form to medusoid form. Next one, Scyphojava important characters. So mouth is surrounded by the 4 tentacles, 4 oral arms. Normally mouth surrounded by the 8 tentacles. So the Scyphojava, the mouth is surrounded by the 4 oral arms. Next one, Anthojava. The Anthojava skeleton is made up of calcium carbonate. The skeleton is made up of calcium carbonate. Next one, examples of the Hydrojava. Examples of the Hydrojava. So the example, Hydra. Example, Hydra. The common name is the freshwater polyp. Hydra common name is the freshwater polyp. Next one, Obelia. Obelia common name is the Seifer. Obelia common name Seifer. Next one, class Scyphojava. Examples, Aurelia. Example, Aurelia. So their common name, moon jellyfish. Aurelia common name, moon jellyfish. Next one, Rhizostoma. Next one, Rhizostoma. Common name is the jellyfish. Common name, jellyfish. Next one, class 3 Anthojava. Anthojava example, Adamsia, common name Cyanemon. Next one, Metridium common name Cyanemon. Pennatula common name Cyanemon. Gorgonia common name Cyanemon. So the Adamsia, Metridium, Pennatula, Gorgonia. So they are the examples of the Anthojava. Phylum Cnidaria divided into 3 classes: Hydrojava, Scyphojava and Anthojava. So they are the general characters and classification of the phylum Cnidaria. Next class discuss phylum Ctenophora.